Hey, hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel, The Engineers. Yesterday in day one, I give you an introduction about what this channel is going to be all about. Now today, in day two, we are going to talk about a very interesting question. What is programming? Don't worry, if you are completely new to this, by the end of this video, you will understand programming in the simplest way. With a daily life example, you can actually relate to this. So, let's start it. Now, what is programming? In simple word, the process of giving the instruction to the computer, to the laptop, to the any system so that it can perform the particular task. So we give the instruction to the person or also we give the instruction to the computer. But here the catch is that the computer don't understand the human language. They need instruction in the special format that is programming language. And there are various type of programming language from which popular one are C, C++, Java, Python. Now think the think about the programming in different way. What is programming? Programming is nothing but telling the computer what to do step by step. Means just give the instruction. If the steps are clear, the computer will do the job correctly. If the steps are wrong, it the job will incomplete. That means the computer will get confused or give the errors. Now, so programming is not just writing the random codes. It is all about problem solving and breaking the big problem into the smaller loops, smaller steps. Now, we will understand this with the given diagram. There are three steps in this process. The first one is input. We give some input to the system, then perform some instruction, perform some process on that input, and we get desired output. Now, with the help of the next example or real-time example, we will understand this process deeply. Now, the first example we take the recipe of making Maggie. This we see this in daily life. Now imagine you want to make the Maggie. What you do? What you do? In step one, you take some input like water, noodles, masala. That are the inputs which you take. Now you have to do process on that input. Means first step is you boil the water first, then add noodles, then add masala, then it stir for some time and wait for 2 minutes. Your Maggie get ready. Now think, this recipe is just like a program. Means the input are water, noodle and masala. Instruction are the steps you followed. Then output is the final dish, which is a Maggie, which is delicious Maggie. If you skip a step like forgetting to add masala, output will not what you want. If you forget anything, means anything which you forgot means you don't get the output. That means every step in the process or every input is very mandatory. Now, this is exactly how programming works. You give the precise step, the computer gives you the correct result. Now, move forward to the next example. Google Map. We everyone use the Google Map navigation. Now, how it relate to our programming? Now, when you open the Google Map and type your destination, you are giving it an input. The app then processes that information and gives you the step-by-step direction. Means turn right, turn left, go straight, come back, like that. Finally, the output is that you reach your destination. This is also a programming in action. It's just solving the problem of navigation for you step by step. Now, next, also I give the one more example related to this. Now, ATM machine. Everyone go to the ATM machine, take cash get withdrawal. Now, how it works like a program. When you insert your card to the machine, that's the input. When you enter your PIN and select the amount, those are also inputs. The ATM then follows a set of program instruction which are verify your PIN, check your balance, then deduct the amount, and finally it gives you the output, what which is cash. Means that is the process. Means here also, firstly some input, then do some process with the help of instructions. Now we get the desired output. That's the programming in real life. Now, the main concern is why the programming is so important. The only answer is that because it is everywhere around us. The app we use daily, like Instagram, WhatsApp, YouTube, all are built with the help of programming only. The games, website, online shopping, even drones, self-driving car, or artificial intelligence, which are growing fastly. Even everything runs on programs, which is written by the programmers. In short, programming is the skill that powers the entire digital world. Now, that's it for today's lecture. Let's summarize quickly what we see in the entire lecture. Now, Starting from programming. In short, programming is the step-by-step instruction to the computer. We take some examples, real-time examples, which explains us about the programming, like the recipe of Maggie, again the map navigation, then withdrawing money from ATM. Now, the main thing is that if the instructions are clear, the output will be correct. That's it. I hope this video help you to understand the programming in the simplest way. In next video, we will meet again. Thank you.